I think for my gingerbread iced latte, I was gonna add just a little bit of oatmeal, see how it tastes. Y'all, this has to be like one of my favorite Christmas treats of all time. Like Debbie Cake gingerbread man, like I love this thing so much. I remember one year they didn't have it and I got so sad. I searched everywhere for this cookie and could not find it. So this year and the past year, I just stack up. Like I get several boxes as soon as I see it. And we are gonna add this to our coffee. Cookie crumbs and iced latte. Oh my gosh, so good. While doing this, I just realized I forgot to put the ice in the iced gingerbread latte. And I just put cookie crumbs on top of it too. I don't know whether I get a spoon and just scoop it out or just dump the ice in there and just call it. I don't know. Y'all, I am so mad at myself for this part right now because I realized while I was filming this, I left my microphone off. I forgot to turn it back on. And so I'm sitting here talking to the camera and don't even realize my mic is off until after. So I'm just going to do a voiceover. The latte was good. I ain't gonna lie. It was popping. Like it was so good. It was creamy, tastes just like a gingerbread. And I love that the gingerbread cookies just made it feel like a treat. Perfect coffee in the morning. And I have to say, y'all, I think I might rival Starbucks with this. This will save me money and time for going to Starbucks because this is just so good. Like you didn't even need the gingerbread syrup. Like all you need is the creamer, some oat milk, and a little bit of cookie crumbs. And it is just tastes exactly like a delicious gingerbread latte you get at Starbucks. Highly recommend you try this, guys. I am obsessed with this drink. I drink it at least every morning now. Okay, I think we're going to start with the tree in my foyer and then I'm going to move on to the tree in my living room. For our real tree right here, I'm thinking about doing like a red and white theme. I don't know why I thought about Coca-Cola when I was thinking about that, but yeah, I want to do like a red and white theme. For this tree right here, I'm thinking maybe like a green and a gold color. Oh yeah, a green gold theme going on right here. Okay guys, real quick, I want to show you what I have this year from the previous years of Christmas, but ignore the stuff in the background. My house is kind of chaotic with all my decor. At first, I want to show y'all this centerpiece I got last year at Walmart. It's for your end tables and it comes with a candle in the center. It's apple pie scented. I also got these clip-on flowers. I don't know if y'all see that, but these clip-on Christmas poinsettia flowers that I am going to hook to the tree in the foyer because like I said before, that tree is going to be like a red and white. And I also have these pillows here. I know they're outdoor pillows, but when I saw them last year, I was like, I had to get them. I got these from Walmart as well. This is just a DIY thing I plan on doing. And I used this space so many times for my decor pieces throughout the year. And I'm going to use it again. Mason jar, these tea candles. I'm thinking about putting like some sparkles around the jar. I did that one year and I put like some cotton at the bottom. And I put some fairy lights in there and it looked like it was just like a winter wonderland in the jars. I wish y'all everything, but we'll be here all day going through the decor. So I'm just gonna jump right back into it. yes, I have a desk in my living room, and I am going to be turning this into a winter wonderland. This is just like a condenser. No one really uses this area to the print on the printer here. So I'm going to use this fake snow or cotton I got from Walmart, and this snow covered garland I got from Walmart as well. And that's gonna be like the backdrop for the winter wonderland I'm making. Okay, so for the Christmas village, I am using these obviously fake, duh. For the Christmas village, I am using these trees I got last year from Amazon. These snow covered, well, they had more snow in this, but people knocked them around a few times and they lost a lot of their snow. But I'm using these for the Christmas village. I already have lights display on the garland. I am also using this nativity scene, and I had this for a couple years now, and of course, yeah, it's still wrapped in plastic. My mom, she really is scared some damage is going to happen to this nativity scene, so she doesn't want anybody to take this out of the plastic. So I'm just going to have to leave this in, even though I want to take out the plastic so bad, but I'm just going to respect her wishes on this. But the idea I had, like, just a nativity scene, like, you know, Jesus in the born forest, and, you know, the wise men probably traveled through, like, I don't know how they traveled through forest or desert, I don't know, but I'm just using my imagination here. And I thought, like, maybe I could put like some fake snow on top, just pretend, but I don't know if it's gonna stick on because like the plastic, but we're just gonna see how it goes. Okay, so far it's not looking too bad. I'm actually impressed how it looks, but as I was decorating, I thought it'd be nice if I had some, you know, figurines of the wise men or little animals, but I probably gonna have to go to Walmart and find it because I do not have like toy animals, or I don't have like statues, little figurine statues of the wise men. I probably gonna have to go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby to find that, but right now it looks pretty good. I thought about on a garland because it looks too like bland. Like, I like a little color when it comes to Christmas. I thought about putting like little tiny red, you know, those little red ornament bulbs on there. But I was like, is that gonna look good? Is that like a winter wonderland? I don't know. What do you think? Should I put red bulbs on that garland or no? Okay guys, I'm gonna cut into this really quick. I really want to go to the store and get some Christmas candles, because you cannot have Christmas decor unless you have some candles that smell like cookies are baking in the oven, and just that, you know, how that light glow candles give. Like, I love candles, so I want to go out to the store and get some candles really quick. But I'm not going to go to Bath and Body Works. I'm just going to go to Walmart because our town doesn't have a Bath and Body Works, which sucks, but Walmart is cheaper and they do have candles, so let's go. Okay guys, so we're back from the store. I pulled up back at my house, but I was kind of disappointed at our Walmart. I know our Walmart is very small, and y'all see my previous videos how small our Walmart is. I swear we had the smallest Walmart in the US. But they did not have, you know, those Christmas candles that you see at on the grocery store, and it have like, you know, it's a Christmas candle because it has decorations of Christmas ornaments or Christmas patterns on the candle. But they did not have what I was looking for at Walmart. There were like maybe 3 candles that had that, and they had like mainly just fruit type smells, and I'm not a fan of stuff like cranberry. I want my house to smell like a cookie, not fruity smells. But I decided, you know what, I'm gonna Google it. So I went on Google and I was like, Google, what scents what scents, flavors or whatever gives you that Christmas feeling. And it gave me like a whole list of scents. So I got vanilla. They said vanilla is perfect for Christmas time, and I'm definitely going to use this for my bathroom because I'm trying to get into my vanilla girl era, like with some self-care products. I got this one. This one is cinnamon, what is it, cinnamon sugar pretzel. And it also says cinnamon is perfect for Christmas time. And I got me some bourbon pumpkin pie. I mean, not pumpkin pie, pecan pie. I got this, and already so far, y'all, it's starting to smell like Christmas cookies. And I also got hazelnut cream because I remember ChatGPT said hazelnut is perfect for Christmas. But I did find a Christmas brand at Walmart, and it was the only one that smelled like cookies. The other ones were just fruit scents. And this one is Baking Spirits Bright. This is ginger snap, vanilla bean, and cookie dough. Yeah, the writing's pretty small. I'm trying to read it. But I like how festive this looks. I got Christmas cookies around the patterns. That's the Christmas candles I was looking for. But like I said, they only had a little bit. Now, for some reason, like, the others smell more like a cookie than this one does, though. This one has, like, cookie mixed with fruit scent. I don't know where yet I'm going to put all these candles, but definitely vanilla is going to go in my bathroom. This one, I think I'm going to put in my writing nook. I have a nook where I write my books and stuff, so I'm going to put that on my desk. Now, I want to make a reading nook as well because, hello, like, I love to read and it's Christmas time, so I want an area for myself. So maybe pecan pie can be in my reading nook. And, oh, definitely cinnamon. Cinnamon could definitely be in my reading nook as well. I'm going to figure it out, but let's put on the finishing touches to our decor. We are almost done. I just need to do the couch, the table, and figure out where I'm going to put all these candles. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is the final look of my Christmas decor, and I have to say, y'all, this got me excited. Like, I am just pumped for the Christmas season. Like, it's cozy, it's warm, it's inviting, and just looking at these lights and the Christmas decorations, y'all, I mean, like, oh my gosh, all I want to do is just get a hot cocoa now, put on a good Christmas movie, and just chill out on the couch. Like, I'm just ready for Christmas to get here. I'm ready for this season. And guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you love videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.